Have you noticed something strange? People today have more dating options than at any point in human history. Yet relationships seem more fragile than ever. A small argument happens. Someone loses interest. The excitement fades. And instead of fixing the relationship, many people immediately start wondering, could I do better? Is there someone more attractive? Someone who understands me more? But here's the disturbing part. The problem may not be your relationship. The problem may be that your brain has been trained to see people as replaceable. And once that happens, no relationship feels good enough for long. Imagine a man named Daniel. He meets an amazing woman. She's kind, loyal, supportive. They laugh together. They trust each other. Everything seems perfect. Then something changes. The honeymoon phase ends. Conversations become predictable. Life becomes routine. Suddenly, Daniel opens Instagram. Beautiful people, perfect couples, exciting new possibilities. His brain begins whispering, maybe there's someone better. Not because his partner changed, because his perception changed. Psychologist Barry Schwartz discovered something fascinating. He called it the paradox of choice. The more options people have, the harder it becomes to feel satisfied with any single choice. Instead of appreciating what they chose, they become obsessed with what they didn't choose. And nowhere is this more dangerous than modern relationships. Most people think relationships fail because they chose the wrong partner. But many relationships fail because people expect the right partner to eliminate all doubt. That person doesn't exist. Every relationship eventually becomes ordinary. The problem is that social media constantly shows extraordinary moments. So ordinary love starts feeling like failure. Dating apps have changed something fundamental about human psychology. In the past, if a relationship hit a rough patch, people naturally focused on fixing it. Today, many people focus on replacing it, because replacement feels easier than repair. One swipe, one match, one new conversation, instant dopamine. But dopamine creates excitement, not attachment. Think about the strongest relationships in your life. Your closest friend, your parents, your siblings. Were those relationships built because everything was exciting all the time? Of course not. They became meaningful because they survived difficult moments. Yet romantic relationships today are often judged by a completely different standard. The moment discomfort appears, people assume something is wrong. Surprising research. Researchers have repeatedly found that gratitude strengthens relationship satisfaction. Why? Because gratitude shifts attention. Instead of focusing on what's missing, you start noticing what's already valuable, and what we focus on grows. Here's the tragedy of the disposable mindset. It doesn't just destroy bad relationships, it destroys good ones. Because every meaningful relationship eventually reaches a point where excitement fades and effort begins. If you mistake that moment for failure, you may walk away from something that could have become extraordinary. Modern culture teaches us to keep searching, keep swiping, keep upgrading, keep looking for something better. But some of the happiest people in the world discovered a different secret. They stopped asking, can I find someone better? And started asking, can I build something deeper with the person I already have? Because love isn't found, love is built. And the strongest relationships aren't the ones that never faced problems. They're the ones that were never treated as disposable. If this video helped you in understanding modern relationships and issues, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.